Hi, my name is Pam. This is Total Pamarchy, and today we are going to make Mario themed planters from PVC pipes and terracotta pots. So watch this video to find out how I did it and subscribe to my channel for more crafty geekery. So the first step you want to do to get started is peel off all those pesky stickers. If you're having trouble with them like I was, you can use some soap and water or something like Goo Gone. That should do the trick for you. And next we're going to start sanding. So you want to sand them just to try to rough up the edges a little bit so that the paint sticks a little bit more. As well as the sanding, I went in with a Dremel and a sanding drum and just took off all the larger edges that were sticking out there a little bit. And then after I finished with the Dremel, I went back in with the sanding again, just to smooth everything out a bit. Once I finished sanding, I took them out to my garage into a box and I coated all of the pieces, the PVC pieces, in some Plastidip. I did not coat the terracotta pot. Plastidip's just a rubber coating that'll help fill in some of the lumps and bumps that happen during sanding or with the Dremel. Once the Plastidip had dried, I went in and I used some hot glue and I glued the vinyl bottoms onto the PVC pipes with some hot glue. You can use probably some Gorilla Glue or something else just to stick them together. Time for the spray paint. So I flipped them over in my box out in the garage again, well ventilated, and I sprayed them upside down first. Once you're happy with your coverage, flip them over and do the other side. You might need to do a couple coats and pay attention to the spray paint and the instructions on the bottles for application and drying time. Now comes the fun part. You get to put some plants in your new Mario themed planters. I had some baby aloe vera growing in another pot, so I transplanted those over into my Mario planters. And I also picked up a colorful cactus at the store to put in one of the planters as well. You may want to use some stones in the bottom of the planters to add drainage underneath the potting soil. You can also drill some holes into the bottom of the PVC pipe planters as well if you're going to have them sitting on a tray, and that'll allow more drainage for your plants. for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more crafty geekery, subscribe to my channel and we'll see you next time. Bye.